Christina, where are we at?
Florida Keys.
The Florida Keys. What are we doing?
Going to buy a boat.
Ooh, wee! That's what I'm talking about. All right, everybody. We are on our way to the Keys, pretty much Key West, to go look at a boat. I'm going to show you guys. It's a SeaPro. I think it's a 2003 21-foot little bay boat. Center console, T-top, leaning post. Nice little boat. I think it's going to be a good boat to buy here. Going to get it relatively cheap. And in this video, I'm going to kind of show you what I look for whenever I buy a used boat to turn around and kind of fix up and make a little bit of money on it. I'll show you guys what to look for. All right, where is this boat at? It's gonna be it here. 865 right there. So standard stuff, just some chips here, there. One here we're gonna fix, and that whole keel down there has a little bit of damage to it. Aside from that, the boat's pretty clean. You can see where somebody's kind of patched up little scuffs. Didn't do the best job. This back here's been worked on a little bit. They didn't do a good job prepping whatever they sprayed on here to hide the little scratches. We're gonna sand all that down, get that fixed up. Take these decals off, put some new decals on. Fix this little spot right here. You can see sanding marks everywhere where they tried to fix something. We'll get that all fixed. Stress cracks. Just walking around to see if everything's solid here. No soft spots in the floor. These spots are typical. You find them on all the SeaPros, all the checking on the floor. All this is pretty typical. Wiring, transom seems pretty solid. Live well pump. These screws are pulled out here. Get that fixed. Pull these rails off. Make the boat look a little cleaner. Need to get a center cap for that. Controls. VHF. Little box up there. And they showed me this before I got here. That's about it. Nothing too exciting. Just a nice clean little project. Pole holder. Take that out. Get it separately. The high dollar winch. Someone didn't know how to mount fenders. This is the worst side of the boat. This side's pretty solid. We bought the boat. Off to the house. All right, we made it to Tavernier Key. Boat's doing fine so far. Got a long way left to go. About 5 hours left of driving. Everything seems to be holding up good. No grease slinging. It's always a good sign. Taillight's working. Boat's still in one piece. We haven't lost anything. Check for heat. Not hot. All right. Made it home. Not the first issue with the trailer. All the trailer lights worked. Here's the broken pilot house here project. The main reason we didn't do any videos on the pilot house this week is because we bought this SeaPro. It's going to be the next project, I think, if we keep it long enough. I'm not positive if I'm going to keep it and sell my other bay boat here, or if we're going to sell this and keep the other bay boat. This thing's got some little damage here. Wouldn't mind doing some videos on fixing it, but sometimes I like to just get the things rid of, flip them and go on. So we'll see if I end up doing anything on this. If you think I should make a video on it, leave a comment. Let me know if you want to see me do some videos on it. If not, it's going to go for sale. And just gonna sell it the way it is. It's got some chip and paint here and there where somebody's tried to hide little scratches and whatnot, and they wasn't very good at it. So anyway, this is the boat. We made it home. One piece.